Hi everyone, this is Kirtana Kumar and I'm a developer at Visual Studio Mobile Center. Today I'm going to show you guys a cool tool called Visual Studio Mobile Center that you as a UWP app developer can utilize to make your life more easy. Visual Studio Mobile Center is a mission control for all app development. You can build, distribute, test, get analytics, and crash data for your apps. I'm going to jump right into the product. This is our UI for the Visual Studio Mobile Center. It's a mission control tool for all kind of app development, but we're going to dive into the UWP app. I already have a UWP app created, and here it is, Animal Farm. And right here, when you create a new app, Mobile Center should have a clear getting started setup to set up our SDK with your app. In my app on Visual Studio IDE, I've already initialized Mobile Center and added the specific information that I need to enable the tool. So since I said in Mobile Center we can have build, the first thing I do is link my Git or source control repo with Mobile Center. In our build section, I have here already linked my GitHub repo onto Mobile Center. So every time I push the master branch or merge a master branch, it will automatically trigger a build. For instance, right now, I can trigger an existing build all the way again. So this initializes a build machine that sets up your build, and there's a continuous integration setup for your app development. As we're waiting for this, let's jump right into the app. So I already have the app distributed to myself, and here's a sample app. I'm going to play around and go back. Now I'm also going to crash the app, which happens all the time for some of us. Here I've initialized a crash scenario to make a clear example of what happens. But I'm going to crash the app. So there's two great features that we can utilize after we crash the app, right? We can see how our users are having crashed issues, as well as get analytics on our app. The first thing I'm going to dive into is the analytics. We go here. It's a lovely UI with charts and graphs of monthly users, how your weekly sessions are, where the devices are used. So my current app, I have full analytics on how my app is used, including the countries and active devices per session. A regular full app would have a great scenario. Mine is a testing app, so there's little data, but a regular app would have a lot of useful scenarios. Additionally, we can also have events that make us track what the users are using. And here I have set up events that are triggered every time a search takes place or settings mode goes. And I can see how many users are using it, the number of times they are, and the change per session. This is great for app developers to understand the users. Another feature is log flow. When this is open and a particular session is being logged, especially in a debug mode when you're using the app, it's a great way to see how events are sent and how analytics is received by Mobile Center. So you can get a full picture of analytics in Mobile Center. Next, I'm going to show you a little bit about how we do crash analytics in Mobile Center. The beauty of Mobile Center is that you as a developer can have access to the crash scenario and the stack trace that takes place when a crash happens in an app. So for instance, the particular crash that I just experienced is right here. The last crash was 2 minutes ago, and I go into it. Right here, I can see the stack trace of how things happen, maybe even exactly where in the code or around where in the code I've made the crash happen, including particular reports of which devices the crash happened. With that, I was able to show you guys a small demo of Visual Studio Mobile Center and how, as an app developer, you can utilize it as a mission control tool. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy the rest of Windows Developer Days. Thank you.